Why do 70% of beginners fear Excel and Word? Because they haven't met Veni yet. Let's change that. Hi there, I'm Veni, your friendly guide to mastering Excel, Word, and AI tools like ChatGPT. If computers make you nervous, don't worry, you're in the right place. Imagine turning those scary spreadsheets into simple, fun tasks. My tutorials are designed to make learning easy and interesting, even if you're just starting out. No tech background? No problem. Think of me as your personal cheerleader. Together, we'll tackle the basics and build your confidence step by step. From creating beautiful documents in Word to making sense of data in Excel, I've got you covered. And yes, we'll even explore the exciting world of AI. Learning with me means no pressure and no judgment. Everyone starts somewhere, and I'm here to help you every step of the way. By the end of our journey, you'll be ready to use these tools in your daily life with ease and confidence. So, why wait? Join my classes and let's make this learning experience both engaging and fun. Remember, there's no mistake that can't be fixed, and every day is a new opportunity to learn. Believe in yourself. You've got this. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need more info, visit me at veniconi.com/shop. Happy learning.